You may have won this time, David, but I ain't giving up that easily. I'm gonna get you back for this. But what should we do? How are we gonna win the attack this time? Got the input, David Henchman number 63?
Ah yes, King David. I've finally done it. I've created the ultimate weapon that will help us win the attack.
Ooh, what is it?
After weeks of hacking into the device's electronic system and taking out and replacing parts, I bring to you this.
A remote controller?
Not just any remote controller, Your Highness. This is the Remote Control X. Point the controller at anyone, press a button, and they will do something according to that button.
Incredible! What does each button do?
There are a lot of things this baby can do. The arrow keys move the person. The pause button stops them from moving, while the play button lets them move again. The mute button makes them silent. The rewind button rewinds the person's actions, and the exit button teleports you to a different location.
Now that's what I'm talking about. What would I ever do without you, David Henchman number 63? You come up with the most genius ideas yet. But why is there an X in the name?
I don't know, it just sounded cool.
Yeah, that's fair. Alright, here's what we'll do. I want you to kidnap David and bring him back to my lair. I want to have some fun with him before I end him.
But how am I ever gonna kidnap him? Remember what happened last time? We easily lost to him. He's too strong. I'll never be able to pin him down and tie him up.
Oh, you won't have to do that. You can just do one of those sneak attacks, if you know what I mean.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean. Other than improving on the variety, you guys have been doing a great job increasing the amount of sales and increasing our stock.
Hey, David, wanna play?
David, no, you gotta be quiet. I'm on a work call. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. That was my brother. Funny guy he is. Anyways, that concludes our meeting for this week. There will be another meeting a week from now, so make sure you'll be there. Anyways, have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later. Bye. Listen, David, I'm not always available to play with you. I have a job to do, you know. But we can play later. But in the meantime, since you live here now, I really gotta put you to work. You can't just be doing nothing all day. It's not good for you. It's time for you to start helping around the house. Here, follow me.
A few minutes later.
Alright, here's a towel and a spray bottle. I want you to clean all the doorknobs downstairs. All you gotta do is spray the towel and then just wipe the doorknobs. Alright, I gotta go back upstairs and work some more, so if you have any questions, or once you're finished, come see me. Alright, good luck, David. I'm gonna do this. Fine, I'll do it. What? Where am I?
Welcome to King David's hideout.
Oh no, not you again. What do you want this time?
Isn't it obvious? When I say I'll be back, oh, I mean it. I'm here to get revenge for all the things you've done to me, David.
Dude, I already apologized to you. Just let it go.
I'll let it go when you're dead. Which reminds me, David Henchman number 63, untie him. We're gonna play a little game, otherwise known as a duel. David, I have with me one of the strongest items I have ever had before, the Remote Control X. One click of a button, and I can basically control anything you do. So come on, get up. Hit me with your best shot.
Alright, I've done everything. Guess I gotta go back to David now. Okay, David, I David! Oh no, what happened to David? Where is he? Is he okay? Where did he go? What the? Oh no, it's that one guy from last time. King David. He came back. And he must have kidnapped David, and this business card must have been dropped by accident. Oh man, I don't want to go rescue him. Those guys were too scary. Snap out of it, David. He's your brother. You need to go rescue him. Ah, you're right. It's time to man up. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Okay, you can do this. I have all the information I need right here on this card to find them. It's going to be okay. Don't worry, David. I'm coming to save you!
Pause. Why are you running that way? I'm over here. Play. Pause. What, are you drunk or something? Turn around, you crazy person. Play. I don't really like the way he's going. Right. Now straight. Why are you hitting yourself? Why are you hitting yourself? Why are you hitting yourself?
Because you're making me do—
You? Oh, why'd you stop talking, David? Okay, David, I stopped controlling you. Come at me. Unmute and rewind. Play, rewind. Play, rewind. Play, rewind. Play, rewind. This is so much fun. Play. Pause. Alright, David, I've had my fun, but now I'm gonna end you with the scepter. Any last words? Oh wait, I forgot you can't talk. Well, that's too bad. Goodbye, David. Huh? Whoa!
one false move and you're dead meat. So come on. How about you just drop the weapon? You both put your hands up.
Okay, man, it's cool, it's cool. But who are you and how did you find our hideout?
I'm David's brother, and it looks like one of you accidentally dropped this business card with all the information on it while capturing David.
Seriously, David Henchman number 63? Great. Now they know where our secret hideout is.
Whoops. Sorry. Okay, now let's get my brother back to life. Play. Whoa! I can move again! Sweet! David? You came to rescue me? And you beat King David? Yes. Yes, I did. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, David. You are the best brother, you know that? Aw, thanks. You are too. Now come on, let's get out of here. Okay, fine. You guys win. But whatever you do, don't press the exit button. That will teleport you back to your house. And don't press the power button either, or else I'll self-destruct the remote.
Why would you tell them that, David Henchman number 63? And why would you put a self-destruct button on that thing?
I don't know. Thanks for telling us, David Henchman number 63. Alright, David, you ready to teleport out of here? Ready when you are. Alrighty then. 3, 2, 1, exit. Later, dudes! Oh. Yes! We made it back safely. Alright, time to self-destruct this thing. It's too dangerous in anyone's hands. Once again, David, thank you so much for saving me. If it wasn't for you, I would have died. And I know it wasn't easy for you to come and rescue me since you're scared of those guys, but you faced your fears and showed that you can do hard things. Even though you can be annoying sometimes, you still are awesome. Aw, thanks, David. No problem. But just be prepared. This definitely won't be the last time we'll see those weirdos. They're probably gonna come back for more, so we'll have to be ready. But we got this, David. We'll show them. Yeah! If only I kept the remote, though. Because of them coming back? Nah, because I could just control you to do chores instead of me. Ha 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 ha.